How to go live on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can go live on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to go live on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch a Facebook app, in order to go live, make sure that you're on the latest update. On the latest update, you'll find the plus icon from the top right hand side. When you tap the plus icon here, you'll find the option called post, story, reel and live, which is exactly what we're looking for. So tap the live option here and now just allow the access to your camera or whatever else. Now you can simply switch between the front camera and the back camera here. And now you can just tap the live option. If you want to customize a few settings, you can just go ahead and customize a few settings here, or you can also go to this polls option in order to add a poll, or you can also go to the friends icon to invite some of the people over here. This way you'll be able to go live on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.